dinosaur.
Don't touch, please.
Sorry.
Those are pretty butterflies. I like their wings. I like butterfly wings, but I don't want them, thank you, Gogo. That's a reindeer, Gogo. Reindeer live in cold countries. He's not a cold reindeer now. He's a hot reindeer. This isn't right. Reindeer don't live in hot countries. Oh, look at those ugly faces. Look at these little soldiers.
I like little soldiers.
I don't believe this. What's happening here?
I like this old car. I don't like old cars. I like new cars.
Oh,
Do you like this car, Jenny?
Yes, I do. I like it now.
Look at the car. Is it an old car or a new car?
It's an old car. Where are you going?
I'm going home. I'm a sick man.
This is a big elephant. This is a small elephant.
This is a small hat. I like it.
This is a big hat. I don't like it.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, please.
Do you want a hot drink or a cold drink?
A hot drink, please. Thank you, Gogo.
Do you want a hot drink or a cold drink, Pod?
A cold drink.
I want a cold drink too, please.
Thank you, Gogo.
This is a new car. This is an old car.
Let's go.
Our new car is a red car, a red car, a red car.
Our old car is a blue car. We like our old blue car.
Our big boat is a yellow boat, a yellow boat, a yellow boat.
Our small boat is a green boat. We like our small green boat.